Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade queso. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll want about 8 ounces of a good melting cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, shredded. Also, have on hand 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos for a little kick. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious, creamy queso that everyone will love. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, whisk together your evaporated milk and cornstarch until smooth. Place the pan over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until it just begins to warm. This step is crucial for preventing lumps. Slowly add your shredded cheese, a handful at a time, stirring continuously until each addition is fully melted and incorporated. Patience here ensures a perfectly smooth and velvety queso. Once your queso is smooth, it's time to elevate the flavor. Stir in your diced jalapenos or even some roasted green chilies for a wonderful warmth. A small pinch of ground cumin, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, can add a lovely earthy note. For a fresh finish, stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro just before serving. Feel free to adjust these additions to suit your personal preference for spice and herbiness. Your homemade queso is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or as a delicious topping for tacos and nachos. If you're serving a crowd, transfer the queso to a small slow cooker on the warm setting to maintain its perfect consistency. A final sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a dash of your favorite hot sauce can add a beautiful presentation and an extra layer of flavor. Enjoy your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.